Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Yulisa. And Yulisa simply writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Yulisa. I'm getting married soon and I would love this centerpiece with whites and silvers." Very simple, very sweet. Well, Yulisa, we're going to go ahead and show you not only how to create this beautiful centerpiece, we're also going to give you all the links to all of the supplies that you need to create it on a budget. You can find all of that right down below in the description. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with Yulisa's centerpiece, our silver linings tall wedding centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. We're going to use a 6-inch styrofoam ball and a 15-inch trumpet base to create our base for our centerpiece. Now, as you can see, I went ahead and indented my styrofoam ball with the rim of the vase, and then I'm just going to take a spoon and kind of trim out I guess for lack of a better word, a mold for where my hot glue is going to go so I can connect easily to the ball and the rim of the vase. Now, my ball looks a little rough because you guys know I reuse everything, but your ball will be nice and smooth and you will have no problems with it at all. So here at Miss Planet, we try to make sure that the centerpiece is beautiful from all angles, including from below. So I'm adding 2 small hydrangea blossoms to the part of the ball that's going to be inserted into the vase. That way you see beautiful flowers from whatever angle you are looking at it. Well, Yulisa, how did we do? It's absolutely breathtaking. I love how the silver just really makes it look so rich and majestic. Love it, love it, love it. And if you love it, by all means, go ahead and like this video, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, please leave it right down there in the description. I also want to remind you that if you would like to submit a project request, you can go down to the description, just click on that either show more button or the description button, and you will find the link to where you can submit your project request, or simply go right into the corner, click on that little eye in the corner, and it'll take you to our website, missplanet.com, where you can also submit your project request. In addition to that, you will find links to all of our projects and written and picture instructions. If you want to hang out some more with us, come on over to our social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. Please check out our Pinterest boards. They are awesome. In addition to that, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for, they pay you to shop. Very simple. Head down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your free account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, find your qualified vendors, and make your purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast. I first and foremost want to thank you for choosing us to spend this time with. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and so we don't take you choosing us lightly. In addition to that, if you would love more cost-saving tips, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, just by clicking in that corner, and you will find more cost-saving tips as well as written and picture instructions of most of our projects. Also, in addition to that, we would love for you to head on down to the description where you can find all of the links to all the supplies for all of our projects. We try to make it as simple as possible for you. Well, with that being said, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.